Karimun Island is strategically located at waters bordering Malaysia and Singapore Strait. Its close proximity to neighboring countries, Singapore and Malaysia, as well as Batam and Bintan as hub of economic growth, gives Karimun an impetus and potential to grow and develop. Karimun Island can be reached by ferry from Singapore in 1.5 hours, and 1 hour from Kukup, Malaysia, and Batam. And administratively, Karimun Island is part of Karimun Regency, Raya Island Province, Indonesia. At the beginning, there was only one investor from Singapore on Karimun Island, who engaged in shipyard industry, that is PT Karimun Sembawang Shipyard, as well as several granite mining companies. Then more and more investors flocked to Karimun, after the implementation of free trade zone and free port status is gained. Among other multinational companies currently operating in Karimun are, Italy's PT Sapam Indonesia, PT Oil Tanking from Germany and PT Multi-Ocean Shipyard. And up to this day, there are 66 large and small companies, registered on the island.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Badan Pengusahaan Kawasan Karimun dibentuk berdasarkan Peraturan Pemerintah Republik Indonesia Nomor 48 Tahun 2007 seiring dengan pembentukan Badan Pengusahaan Batam dan Bintan. Letak geografis Karimun yang unik dan khusus menjadikan posisinya begitu sentral karena dapat dijadikan sebagai pintu gerbang bagi arus masuk investasi, barang dan jasa dari luar negeri yang berguna bagi peningkatan kesejahteraan rakyat Indonesia. Selain dapat difungsikan sebagai sentral pengembangan industri syarat teknologi yang dapat memberikan manfaat di masa depan dan pengembangan industri dengan nilai tambah tinggi, kawasan Karimun dapat pula berfungsi sebagai tempat pengumpulan dan penyaluran hasil produksi dari dan ke seluruh wilayah Indonesia serta negara-negara lain. Mengingat letaknya tepat pada jalur internasional, maka kawasan Karimun dapat menjadi pusat pelayanan lalu lintas kapal internasional. Selain itu, dengan posisi Karimun didukung oleh kondisi Sumatera yang telah jauh berkembang, memudahkan penyediaan tenaga kerja dan sarana pengembangan kemampuan tenaga kerja. Kami siap mendukung dan membantu demi kelancaran investasi dari pihak manapun yang ingin berbisnis di Karimun dan menjadikan kawasan tersebut sebagai tujuan investasi yang kondusif, harmonis, dan nyaman. Untuk itu pula, kami siap memfasilitasi apa yang menjadi kebutuhan para investor, terutama permasalahan perizinan baik pada pemerintah lokal maupun pusat. Akhir kata, kami mengucapkan terima kasih atas kepercayaan para investor menanamkan modalnya dan dukungan masyarakat demi kemajuan bumi berazam ini. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Karimun has been decreed as one of the free trade zone and has been granted free port status within the Raya Island Province, in accordance with Government Regulation Number 48/2007. Combine the greater part of Karimun Island and Karimun Anak together. It has an area of 9,666.18 hectares. As well as having geographical advantages, due to its close proximity to Singapore and Malaysia. Karimun also has deep sea and is rich in natural resources and mineral, such as granite, sand, tin, bauxite, and also it has investment potential in tourism, services and trade sector, oil and gas, maritime and manufacturing industry as well as other potential business.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami sebagai salah satu kawasan perdagangan bebas dan pelabuhan bebas dengan sumber daya alam yang begitu kaya, letak geografis yang strategis, dan didukung oleh sumber daya manusia yang kompeten adalah faktor kunci yang kami percaya dapat kami tawarkan kepada investor untuk berinvestasi di kawasan perdagangan bebas dan pelabuhan bebas Karimun khususnya dan Kabupaten Karimun umumnya. Kami siap untuk menjadikan Karimun sebagai tempat yang ideal untuk investasi. Kami sangat mengerti bahwa lingkungan yang kondusif dan aman adalah kebutuhan dan syarat mutlak dalam menciptakan iklim investasi yang ideal. Oleh karena itu kami sangat berkomitmen dalam menciptakan lingkungan yang kondusif bagi perkembangan investasi di Kabupaten Karimun. Selain itu, untuk kemajuan dan perkembangan dunia usaha di kawasan perdagangan bebas dan pelabuhan bebas Karimun, kami akan memberikan insentif yang menarik bagi para investor yang berinvestasi di Kabupaten Karimun. Bebas biaya PPN, pajak barang mewah, dan berbagai insentif yang menarik lainnya. Hal-hal lain yang kami siapkan untuk investor adalah ketersediaan infrastruktur yang baik seperti jalan raya, pelabuhan, air bersih, kelistrikan, dan infrastruktur pendukung lainnya. Pembangunan infrastruktur merupakan salah satu agenda utama yang kami prioritaskan dalam rencana kerja kami. Sehingga dengan infrastruktur yang lengkap, kemajuan dunia usaha dan masyarakat di Kabupaten Karimun akan semakin maju dan berkembang. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Additionally, in order to enhance investment climate in the area, local government of Karimun Island and BPKPB, or Free Trade Zone, and administrative bodies strive to improve and develop facilities, such as road, port, transport services, electric power, telecommunication, and clean water. Other areas that the government has paid attention to are education. Government builds and establishes more new schools so as to be able to meet labor demands for skilled workers. Medical sector, by improving services and competitiveness of hospitals and clinics. In healthy housing, security that create conducive and comfortable investment climate.
My name is Cassie Tang, General Manager PT Karimun Sembawang Shipyard, located in Karimun Island, Riau, Indonesia. We have been in operation since the year 1997 and we are in our 15th year of operations now. We started off as a repair ship, and now we have moved on to many more activities including heavy steel fabrication for the marine and offshore industry. We have been expanding and still improving ourselves and putting on additional investments as necessary so that we are able to meet a heavier demand with extra load. All these years we have enjoyed many good years with being very profitable because we have the support from the local government, all the levels of local authorities, from Free Trade Zone and the Freeport of Karimun. We have enjoyed all this and we have been expanding and we will carry on to expand. We have the support of all these local authorities, and because of the ready availability of labor here, it has created a very good conducive atmosphere for investors, especially investors from Singapore due to their proximity to the Karimun Island. And we feel that with all this availability of labor and the ever increasing infrastructures that is being put into the island, this place will be very, we are optimistic that this place will be very successful in attracting foreign investors. Thank you.
According to registration record of 2011, total population of Karimun is 272,985, comprising 141,273 males and 131,712 females. The sex ratio is 107.3. Result of Securnis 2011 gives an overview of demography of Karimun, that total population of group age of 15 years and older. 88.04% of them are males workforce, and 42.90% are females. Relationships between religious groups are generally amicable. Communities of different faith in Karimun are living harmoniously. House of worship of religious groups such as mosque, church, and temple are a common sight.
Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Saya Duntung. Saya selaku Ketua Apindo Karimun, di mana saya percaya dengan masuknya Kabupaten Karimun ke dalam area STJ ini, dengan kerjasama kita semua akan dapat memaksimalkan semua potensi Karimun yang kaya akan sumber daya alam, memiliki letak geografis yang sangat strategis dan memiliki sumber daya manusia yang handal. Kami dari Apindo siap menyambut dan membantu para investor yang akan masuk atau sudah masuk. Terima kasih.
Total PMA, foreign investment, and PMDN, domestic investment, in 2011 are 23 companies, with total investment value of 10,209,058,058,954 rupees. The government is ready to give full support to any investors who wish to invest at Free Trade Zone and Karimun Freeport, by facilitating business license, both at local and central government level. Other facility provided is licensing service for both investment and non-investment venture that are put under the same door, that is one door integrated service. With motto, easy, fast flow, unmistakable, and low-cost service. The government is striving to improve and simplify regulation to help investors who come to invest at KPB. By publication of Regulation of Republic of Indonesia, Number 10, Year 2012, on custom treatment, taxation and excise, procedures for export-import of goods, to and from Free Trade Zone and Freeport area. Investment climate at Free Trade Zone and Freeport is more attractive by improving services to investors. The local government of Karimun and Free Trade Zone Administrative Board and Freeport Authority ensures improvement by giving incentive in other facility, including exemption of value-added tax, luxurious good tax, import duties and other benefits. In addition, local government of Karimun Island has prepared implementation of incentive plan outlined in Local Government Regulation of Karimun Regency on giving incentive to investors in Karimun Regency, including those who has investment venture at Free Trade Zone and Karimun Freeport. In accordance with national policy, the Free Trade Zone and Karimun Freeport will become one of the maritime, oil and gas industrial zones in Western Indonesia, as well as gate for national economic growth, expected to boost population income in general. By virtue of cooperation and support from all parties concerned, Free Trade Zone and Karimun Freeport will be one of the area that has high competitiveness in Asia Pacific, as well being investment destination that promises attractive and conducive business.